the man that fears the Lord, that delights greatly in his commandments. His seed shall be mighty upon it. The generation of the upright shall be blessed. Wealth and riches shall be in his house, and his righteousness endureth forever. Unto the upright there acteth light in the darkness. He is gracious and full of compassion and righteousness. A good man sheweth favor and landing. He will guide his afters with discretion.
Thank you, Prayana. Prayer by Jafri Nifuna.
Prayer. Father, we thank thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for the stand food and loving us, and all that makes the world so far. Help us to the things we should, to give to others, stand and in all we do, not cover to promo loving and
Thank you, Jafri Nifuna. Prayer sung by choir children.
Stand up for Jesus, we soldiers of the cross. Let's fly His royal banner, His first gods of the lost. From victory unto victory, His army shall He lead, till every soul is vanquished and Christ is Lord indeed. Stand up for Jesus, let the mass fall away. For to the mighty conflict in this glorious day, He that a man now serving against unnumbered foes. Let's courage us with danger and stand to stand the force.
Thank you, children. Standard is Thought for the Day by Joyson.
Thought for the day. Life is 10% what happened to you and 90% how you react to it. Said by Charles Asinda. I will repeat again. Life is 10% what happened to you and 90% how you react to it. Said by Charles Asinda.
Thank you, Joyson. Tirukural by Sirthik.
உழுதுண்டு வாழ்வாரே வாழ்வார், மற்றெல்லாம் தொழுதுண்டு பின் செல்பவர். உழவு செய்த அதனால் கிடைத்ததை உண்டு வாழ்கின்றவரே உயிர் வாழ்கின்றவர். மற்றெல்லாரும் பிறரை வணங்கி உண்டு செல்கின்றவரே ஆவார். I will repeat again. உழுதுண்டு வாழ்வாரே வாழ்வார், மற்றெல்லாம் தொழுதுண்டு பின் செல்பவர்.
and fourth B are celebrating their birthday. Let us singing a birthday song.